So if you press into healthy tissue, you compress it, it's mostly fluid. Within a few seconds, the fluid will start to push out of those cells. It'll become softer, you'll sink deeper. In an area that has connective tissue disturbance, you press into it, and it's hard for fluid to leave that space, and it stays firmer and more dense. You may even feel a granular type appearance within that cell structure as you move across it. So that's pretty good. But think less about vibrating the tissue and more about, okay, here's 2 layers, my 2 fingers. Protect your thumb a little bit. So right now you're doing this. Yeah. You need to be a little more, no, let me show you. With your right hand, I want you to press like this, not hyperextend your thumb, right? If you do this all the time, your thumb's gonna be really annoyed within a year of practice, right? So you need to get strong through your thenar eminence, so that when you're compressing here, watch my thumb knuckle when I compress down. See how neutral that is? Yeah. Versus you were here. Okay. What's probably gonna happen on this side is the SCM is gonna overwork. So when the SCM kicks in, it's going to create extension and a little bit of rotation away. Usually when I'm building up a global reset, I start with the building block. I want them to get the nuts and bolts of the position and where they're moving first. And once they have that down, I can kind of tweak it a little bit for our knee. So remember, our base position is supine triple flexion. So head down, breath low. Both legs are going to come up, and the way we like to balance the legs is so that the weight of the legs is, I can do this in 2 ways. One, I can lift his head up a little bit and ask him to hold it while I remove my hand.